Hey guys, today I am back with a makeup video. Well, kind of, okay, because I had a totally different video planned for today, but I want to just chat with you guys real quick. Well, not real quick. It's not going to be real quick because this is a Kristi video. As most of you know, I recently just got back from a trip from Mexico with Pure Cosmetics and BoxyCharm. It was the highlight of my life. If you guys have not seen the vlog for it yet, I will link it up here, but I honestly am still on cloud 9. I don't know if I've ever been in my life as happy as I am right now. I just feel like the opportunities and the experiences that are coming my way are unreal, unbelievable. I am sickeningly grateful for them, and I want to chat with you guys. And so this video is not just going to be me sitting here crying about how grateful I am, although maybe a little. This isn't going to be like a full face first impressions or anything. I know that you guys love those. I definitely have some coming. There's a lot of new PR that actually did a PR unboxing that's going to go up on Wednesday because I came home to a bunch of new packages and stuff. So I just did like a little chilled out PR unboxing type of thing for Wednesday, showing some new products and seeing what you guys are interested and excited to see in the upcoming videos. Today, I want to talk to my friends, okay? We're going to get back to like full-on makeup videos very, very soon. So I was planning on doing the Soft Glam and Amrezy highlighter, and I will be doing that. That'll probably go up Friday, but I'm not 100% certain on that because I'm still testing the products. I'm no longer just going in and doing first impressions for reviews. I think that they're great in a lot of ways, and my opinions don't usually change, but I want to try the products out so that I can have a full run of them and talk about formula, fallout, colors, ease of use, travel with, before I'm able to do a review for you guys. I want to make sure that I'm getting the most information to you possible and not just being like, I like it after one use. Anyway, we're just going to get right into this. Before we do, make sure you guys have subscribed to my YouTube channel. I put out new videos pretty much every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I say pretty much because last week I put out one video because again, I was gone. I did not do my due diligence in pre-filming because I had a shit show go on before that. I try to always stick to Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I don't like to stray from that schedule. I like to always keep it consistent. So very, very rarely do I miss uploads, but last week. Also, make sure you guys follow me on all my other social media stuff. So Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter. I might just start leaving Snapchat out of this equation because since they've updated, I quit using it completely. So Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Okay, let's shut the fuck up now and get into makeup. Today I'm going to be using the new Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1 foundation stick that we got on the trip. They're not paying me to talk about this or use this. They didn't even say I had to. I'm testing this because I want to do a review of it, possibly, or mention it in an upcoming video, and I am on day now 4 of trying this. I've been trying it in different ways, and I haven't been setting it so far, so today I'm going to set some areas and see how it works with that. I did not get any sun when I was gone, purposefully. I feel like this shade's more my color. I did not get any sun while I was gone. I used SPF 100 the entire time. Yeah, that's better. Because I am not about, cancer. Fun fact about me, I'm really scared of getting cancer. I think everyone's scared of getting cancer, no lie. But I'm like ultra scared of it because my mom died of cancer. This is getting real dark real quick. Happy Monday. And so I take every precaution necessary to have my skin at least protected when I'm out in the sun. Because I don't want to die. SPF 100. You can't even tell I was in Mexico, can you? Yeah. And that's how I like it. If I'm gonna tan, I'm gonna self-tan. It gives me a nice bronzy glow and I don't have to worry about it. Okay, so you can see for foundation stick purposes, this is looking so beautiful. I know, what the heck? Okay, so I mentioned this in Wednesday's video that's going up, but I always say I hate stick foundations because I had tried the Makeup Forever Ultra HD and the Maybelline Fit Me stick foundations both didn't work for me, and so I was like, well, stick foundations suck, don't they? Maybe try more than 2 before you just write them all off as sucking. So far, I'm really liking this one. There's definitely some areas that I don't love. Like in my dry patches, it seems to cling a little bit. But if I moisturize really well and exfoliate beforehand, you can see like the finish looks really nice. I got eyelash extensions. It's now been exactly 2 weeks since I got them. And I've had a lot of people asking, how do I like them? Would I recommend them? I'll just briefly touch on that in this video. Well, not even so much briefly because we're not talking about anything else. So why not totally touch on it? I don't know if I'm gonna make a full separate video on it or not, or if I should just kind of mention it here, but do I think that they're worth it? Yes, I do, for vacation purposes. Now, I would not get them myself, I don't think, for like everyday wear because I wear makeup so often that I find them difficult to do makeup around. It's not horrible or anything, but it's definitely not like perfectly easy to avoid them. Also, for my lifestyle, I didn't realize how much of a difference and big deal this was for me. I guess I am a massive face sleeper. They were like, yeah, you're not gonna wanna sleep on your face. And I'm like, oh shit, I didn't realize I did sleep on my face so much. I'm bringing this down my neck because it's not the right color for my body. But yeah, I'm totally a side sleeper. So, weird fun fact about me that's not so fun and actually sucks asshole is that because I have cluster headaches, you guys know I have this brain thing that causes pain thing, and I can only sleep on my right side. So I get attacks in my left eye often. Got a bunch of them on that trip, but you never heard me say it because I wasn't gonna let them ruin my life. Can only sleep on my right side or my back with my head to the right. If I sleep on my left side, it's like the blood rushes to that side of my head and it's like a guaranteed attack. So annoying. I miss sleeping on my left side so much. It's been like 3 years. I bet you have a permanent indent on the right side of my body from never rolling over from that side, but my body now naturally does not turn during the night. If I fall asleep on my right side, I wake up on my right side. But I find that with eyelash extensions, specifically, that's a bad thing because my right eye got this huge gap. I don't know if you can see, but if I kind of don't fan out my lashes, you see that giant finger-sized gap right there? Yeah, I started losing lashes by the moment on that side. And I feel like for me, personally, because I sleep on that side of my face, it's not that bad if I'm being completely honest with you, but it is enough that during the nighttime, all I want to do is just sleep on my damn face and I don't want to have to think about it. But subconsciously, it's just always in the back of your mind, like, you have eyelashes on. I'd say within the first like 5 days, I could start seeing some sparse areas, which really wasn't that bad, but it was enough where I was like, shoot, I should have gotten them closer to my trip. So I left for my trip on a Saturday, but I got them on 2 weeks ago on a Monday. I feel like I should have gotten them, like if I was leaving for my trip on a Saturday, I should have gotten them on like Thursday because for me, I want them to look as fresh as possible for as long as possible. And I definitely noticed on my trip after swimming and dunking my head completely, that's when I would notice some strays falling out. As you can see, like on this side, we have like one little weird straggler right here. I also never realized how much I want to rub my eyes. I just want to reach up and just rub my eyes so bad. These are all things that you really can't do. I would consider eyelash extension, I wouldn't say high maintenance. I'd call them medium maintenance. It's like wearing lashes. It's like as if you're constantly wearing false lashes. They're way comfortable. They don't burn, they don't hurt, nothing like that. You always are aware that they're there. You're always aware of what you don't want to be doing with them. And so that's one thing that I would keep in mind if you do plan on getting them, that they're definitely not something that you can just go about your life and live completely normally. Like if you dunk your head underwater, you're gonna need to like kind of comb them out afterwards. You need to removing eye makeup was the most irritating step for me. It's really not that bad, but you can't use any oil-based makeup removers. You can't, it's just like for me, I'm more of a low maintenance ass bitch. I like them and I think they're beautiful. And for my trip, I didn't need to put on lashes once, which was so wonderful. The fact that I didn't have to worry about them and I didn't have to like think about putting lashes on, it cut my getting ready time, like it felt like in half. Especially a tropical vacation where you're gonna be swimming, doing stuff outside, I would highly recommend them. Even though I would call them about medium maintenance, I still would highly recommend them because they cut so much time off of my getting ready. Even if I was wearing no makeup, I still felt really put together, which that can't hurt. I'm just lightly setting certain areas that get creasy on me. My skin's looking a little cakey, like up on my forehead. This can sometimes happen. Like stick foundations tend to not like look absolutely perfect on me, which is why I've been a little iffy towards them. Still testing it out to see if maybe wearing it different ways will change that. I know you don't need or not supposed to use mascara on lash extensions. However, I don't care if these start falling out because I'm done with them. I'm kind of like easing them off my face by not doing what I'm supposed to be doing because I'm ready for them to come off now because it doesn't really matter. Retention's not important to me now that I've gotten my use out of them. I'm not going to go get a fill. I'm just gonna let them kind of naturally fall off. The urge to pull them off is strong. They've told me do not do that, so I will not be doing it. But man, do I want to rip them all out one by one. So I'm going ham on keto now, and I'm gonna start even working out and everything. I gained some weight on this trip, but let me tell you what. I was eating all the tortillas, all the little quesadillas, all the chilaquiles. Oh shit, that is so good. That's probably my favorite. I am going hard on keto now. No more cheating, no more. I'm gonna be starting to do updates on YouTube. I've been talking about it for, gosh, I've been on keto for almost a year now, but I've maintained my 40-pound weight loss, and that's it. I haven't lost any more since that 40 because I really just honestly haven't tried. If I could blame it on every other thing, but it's not even anything else's fault. It's my own fault. I'm hoping I can lose another 30 or so pounds. I'm not obese anymore. I was obese when I was 200 pounds. Now I'm 160 and I need to lose another 30 to get me down to about 130 pounds. I'm ready to just get healthy. I'm ready to take control and actually start working out, get to my goal and be done with it. I'm so sick of this like back and forth nonsense of like up and down and up and down. And it's honestly just because I'm sheer laziness. Like I want to eat ramen and mochi and sit around and drink delicious drinks and that's really all it comes down to, is that I just quit trying. But I know I maintained. I gained like 4 pounds or 5 pounds back on my vacation, which is like to be expected when you eat a shit ton of chips. I'm not a big like hour-long exerciser, and I've heard HIIT is really good for like quick fat burning. So I think I'm gonna start doing like HIIT workouts, because that's 15 to 25 minute long workout is about the max that I feel like I can commit to. This is the Hourglass Ambient Metallic Strobe Lighting palette that I just used, and I feel like it's pretty. Other than that, we have the remodel starting really soon. The guy is getting back to us with the estimate soon, and as soon as he does, we are a go on that. I am so ready to remodel this house, and I can't wait to bring you guys along on the whole process with me, because you guys have been here with me throughout buying this house, throughout hearing me bitch about it, throughout me showing you guys different things and like decluttering and stuff. So I cannot wait to show you guys the whole process of like the before and during and after, and showing you guys like going through like the decorating process. I don't know if you guys are into that, but if you are, get ready, because I cannot wait. I'm going to do so much. I cannot wait because I haven't been buying anything for this house. This room I'm sitting in right now is an empty room with a table and makeup. That's it. My bottom room, you guys have seen it. It's gonna be done. All right, and I guess that's it for this video. I just wanted to chat with you guys. I don't know if this was interesting at all, but I'm just trying to get back in the swing of things after taking a week off. Sorry about that, but I am so glad to be back. I think this makeup turned out really pretty. I'm gonna go clean my house. I have not unpacked my suitcases yet, and I got home last Wednesday. So if you stuck through this, I commend you. Snaps to you, because I probably would have clicked off of this shit a long time ago. But anyway, I'm gonna go live my life, do my shit. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you at my next video. Bye! Pricing, etc. I just said etc. etc. I've talked to Zach. I just spit everywhere. Okay, beepy truck, get out of here. Thank you. Fucking truck. That truck is going to put me in an early grave. It's been doing this since 7 a.m.